What's up, y'all? Welcome back. If you haven't seen my foundation routine, go ahead and click right there so you can go see it, because that comes before highlighting and contouring, so go watch it. So today I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in medium to tan, and I'm also going to be using my Too Faced Cocoa Contour Chiseled to Perfection palette. This one smells like straight chocolate. It really smells like chocolate for real. And then this one I've been using for years. See, look at that. Hit pan. I've been at pan for a minute. So we're gonna go ahead and contour with our Chiseled to Perfection, and we're going to be using the darkest shade, which is Deep Mocha. And I'm going to be using my blush brush, which is the, oh my bad, the F40, Sigma F40 brush, which is a large angled contour brush. My favorite to use to contour. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze with this right here, and I'm also going to be using a synthetic brush. And I like to use this to bronze because it leaves more of a airbrush finish if I don't pick up a lot. Like tap tap tap, right? Can you tell? So now I'm going to move into the highlight. Today I'm going to be using the Cocoa Glow highlighter, and it is right here. So I apply my highlight, and this Cocoa Contour highlight, the Cocoa Glow, is like an everyday type of highlight. It's not like too much. It's not gold like where it's like bam in your face, but it's like that iridescent glow. Like you got an inner glow. You see? You can't even really. You can tell, but you can't tell. So now I'm gonna go in with Raisin, which is a powder blush by MAC, and this is my go-to blush, and it's mainly because it kind of matches like everything every time. So I'm going to be using the Dual Fiber F50 brush, and a lot of people don't use this for a blush brush, but I do. And I do because it does not pick up a lot of product, and I can be very minimal with it. And after I finish doing that, I am going to go back in with my big fluffy brush and dark golden mineralized skin finish, and I'm just gonna buff everything out. And this is to make sure there are no harsh lines in your makeup, no lines of demarcation, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go do my eyes really quick and then I'll be right back. Okay? Okay. Alright y'all, I am done with my highlight and contour routine. This is the look that I'm gonna be going out tonight with. I hope you guys enjoy. I just have to put mascara on and I'm not putting lashes on tonight. So that is all. Let's get into these slow-mos for my makeup tutorial. Alright y'all, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Every Monday we will have Makeup Monday, so if you're looking for something related to makeup stuff, then come back on Mondays, because there's gonna be a lot of makeup stuff on Mondays. You know what I'm saying? You may have one video, you may have two. You might get surprised. So just like, you know, so just come back to the channel. Let me know how you like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you would like more like this. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. I will see you next Monday. Actually, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow if you're coming for Texture Tuesday. So come back for Texture Tuesdays if you want to see about these curves. Alright y'all, bye.